Hello students, today we will be learning the third chapter, and that is pretending. So what is the meaning of pretending? Pretending means imagine or to behave like some person or an animal. किसी चीज़ की नकल या नाटक करना या कॉपी करना. So mainly we copy of a person, and sometimes the children mostly they like to copy the animals. So here in the poem we will see how a child is copying different animals and how he is having fun. So let's see. It's fun to be this, it's fun to be that. So here in the first two lines it's telling about it's fun to be this. मुझे यह बनना अच्छा लगता है, मुझे वह बनना अच्छा लगता है. So to leap like a lamp. What is leap? Leap like उछलना, मेमने की तरह उछलना. So to leap like a lamp, मेमने की तरह उछलना अच्छा लगता है. To climb like a cat, बिल्ली की तरह मुझे पेड़ पे चढ़ना अच्छा लगता है. So these four lines is telling about the cat and a lamp, how he is having fun to be pretending like a cat and a lamb. And in the next stanza we see to hope like a frog, frog की तरह, मेंढक की तरह कूदना. How he jumps, how the frog jumps, right, in a small area and sometimes in a higher range. So to hope like a frog, to swim like a fish, swimming, तैरना, swimming like a fish, pretending to be fish. To trot like a horse, घोड़े की चाल, घोड़े की तरह चलना. Okay. To jump like a dog, how the dog jumps, sometimes we see in very high. So to jump like a dog, I like to jump like a dog, I like to pretend to jump like a dog. He is here pretending and he is enjoying. So the next stanza and the final stanza is it's fun to pretend. Here and finally he is telling that it's very fun to pretend. Mostly in the house or when you have brothers or the sisters, mostly the small kids or you pretend to do something or to pretend to be like a child to make them happy. Okay, when they are very small, sometimes you pretend to be a small some child or other animals. You show them, you act and show them, so they become very happy. So here the child also is telling about, or the poet is telling us in this poem that how fun it is to pretend. It's very fun to pretend something. And these creatures to be, all the creatures what the poet has told us about, lamb, cat, frog, dog, fish, horse. Okay, so all these animals, it's very fun because these animals are very innocent, because they are not harmful for the human beings. They don't do any harm, right? So we mostly we become friendly with them. So yet not one is clever. So he's telling that oh, clever means chatur. मेरे जैसा कोई इतना चतुर नहीं है. He is telling that nobody is clever than me at copying me. मेरे जैसा कॉपी करने में कोई इतना clever नहीं है. Telling about all these creatures, all the animals here. So poet is telling that I am the best. I think I am the best in doing this. So this was the poem about pretending. So in our lives also we pretend to be so many things. Sometimes we pretend to be good, but sometimes we are not. Sometimes we pretend to be happy, but we are sad. Sometimes we pretend to be very hi-fi. We are living in a very richy house or something like that, but we are not. So we should do what is right. We should show other people what is our real face. We see that lot of people are pretending to be, they are not, actually they are not, but they are pretending to be so many different things that is not good. If the reality comes in front of everyone, then you will face the problem. You will be feeling very bad, you will be feeling very guilty inside. So, show your real face to the people, what you are, who you are, and try to be a good person. Okay.